Our Bible story this week is Jesus Loves Children. It can be found in the Gospels of Matthew, Mark, and Luke. Some people heard that Jesus was coming to their town. They got very excited. They wanted their children to meet Jesus. They wanted him to touch their children and pray for them. So they called their children. When everyone was there, off the families went down the road toward the place where Jesus was. As these families got near the place where Jesus was teaching, they could see that he was talking to some grown-ups, and they could see that Jesus seemed very busy. But the people wanted their children to meet Jesus. Just then, some of Jesus' friends stepped in front of them. They stopped the families from getting near Jesus. Jesus was busy talking to grown-ups. His friends thought it was more important for Jesus to talk with grown-ups than with children. The people with the children started to leave. They must have felt so sad. But suddenly they heard Jesus speaking to his friends. He had not wanted his friends to send the children away at all. "Let the children come to me," Jesus said. "Do not send them away. Children can show us what it really means to be a part of God's family." So the children came to see Jesus. Jesus took them into his arms. He prayed for God the Father to help each one of them. Jesus showed his love for the children. The children were very special to Jesus. What a wonderful day it was. The children felt very happy because they had met Jesus. Jesus loves those children, and Jesus loves you.